In this video, we are going to talk about the where clause, and the where clause is basically used in order to filter our records, and it helps us to extract those records that satisfy our conditions. For example, in this example, we are trying to select data from the employees table and where the country is equal to Mexico. So after where, you can specify many things. It's a very powerful clause and it's used everywhere. So I'll show you how and where we can use it. But the syntax is this: we write select and then we specify columns, and then we write from which table we want to retrieve, and after that we write the keyword where, and after that we specify the conditions, like here where we told that we want only the employees where the country is equal to Mexico. Let's have a look. Let's first have a look at the entire table. Select everything from HR, employees. Okay. And here we can see that, okay, for example, I want to get some I want to get information from this employees table, and I want to get only the information for the lex. And if I want to do that, I will write select from HR, the employees table, and here I'll write where, and Steven or Lex is the first name, so I'll write first name is equal to Lex. We'll be writing his name, and let's try it out. Okay, hope it works. Okay, here you go, and it gives us the row where the first name is equal to Lex, so everything is correct. Lex D Han, and here Lex D Han. Okay, let's practice some more. Let's select salary. Okay, I'll select the first name, and I'll select last name. I'll select it from HR, employees, and I'll specify my condition where I want to get the first name and last names only where the salary is, for example, equal to 9,000. Okay, let's run it. Okay, and here you go. 4 people have salaries equal to $9,000. Okay, let's try one more. Select. This time I will select employee IDs. I'll need only employee IDs. Employee ID from our HR database, employees table, and I'll tell where I want it. So my condition is salary equal to, for example, 17,000. Let's run. How many people have $17,000? Okay, 2. And actually I didn't want to write salaries. I wanted to specify something different. I want to know the employees who are under the manager ID 100. Manager ID equal to 100. And now let's see. Oh, okay. Okay, so this many people are under employee ID. I can of course specify first name, and I can also specify last name so that I could understand who are working under the manager ID 100. Okay, Lex, Dan, Adam, Alberto, Michael, all of them are working under manager ID 100. And that's basically it. So after where you specify the condition that you want to give, and it could be anything like manager ID, or I could say that, for example, I want to get the one that has email, and then the email is equal to sking, right? And if I run, I should be getting first name Steven and last name King. Okay, it didn't work. No data found. King, probably it's because of the... Okay, let's run. Now we need to receive the results. Okay, here you go. Employee ID is 100 and Stephen King first name. In this video we are going to talk about standard numerical operators, and these operators are actually used in where clause. We already used it in our previous video when we were filtering our results and giving some conditions. So for example, we used the equal sign, and now in this video we will be practicing more, and we will use all these signs which are greater than, less than, and not equal numerical operators. And one important thing to note here is not equal operator. So there are 2 of them, and depending on which database management system you are using, you'll have to choose one of them. For example, if you're using Oracle database management system, you would be using exclamation mark and equal sign together. And in some other databases, you might have to use greater than or less than signs together. Okay, now let's practice. And here is our live SQL. And this time we are going to work with the jobs table. First of all, I'm going to retrieve all the entire table, and then I will select just all the columns from the jobs table. Okay, and when we run it, we need to see some, yes, minimum salary and maximum salary. And this can be an example when you want to filter your result set depending on your criteria. For example, say I want to select the information, and then I want only the job ID equal to, for example, 9,000, where the maximum salary is 9,000. In this case, I would just say that where the maximum salary is equal to 9,000. Okay, and we should be getting this row, public accountant. Oh, actually there are several of them. So we got public accountant, marketing representative, human resources representative. And in the same way we can write, just for the practice, please follow along with me and try to write all these queries. I will be also posting the queries that I used in my videos, so that in case if you need, you would just look at this and follow that, all those queries. Okay, minimum salary, and I want it to be, for example, greater than 4,200. Okay, here is 4,200, and I see that there are some of them which are less than 4,200, and I shouldn't be getting administration assistant in my result set. Okay, yes, and if you look at this, you don't see any administration assistant. Okay, let's try one more, and I will give you the specific instructions for you to practice. Select from HR jobs where maximum salary is, for example, less than 15,000. Okay, and we should be getting some few results. Okay, and here maximum salaries, all of them are less than 15,000, 10,000, 9,000, 12. Okay, nice. Let's move on, and in the challenges section I will give you some more queries for you to practice.